I'm Madeline O'Neil.
Hi, I am Jack Mayfield.
Hi, I'm Cameron Vendetti.
And I'm Joe Sylvia. Sylvia, and I'm here with the Director of Healthcare Services, as well as a registered nurse, both of which are at Riverview School in East Sandwich, Massachusetts, Nurse Cate MacFarland. It's good to have you.
Thank you, Joseph. I'm happy to be here.
Thanks. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So what made you want to become a registered nurse?
Well, I always had a caring attitude. I did a lot of babysitting when I was younger, so I knew early on that I did want to get into a field where I could take care of children.
Sweet.
And young adults now.
Sweet. Including your 13 years at Riverview, how long have you been a registered nurse?
I have been a registered nurse for 27 years.
Yeah. How long have you been the Director of Healthcare Services at Riverview, the Director?
I have been the Director of Healthcare Services for 8 years.
Sweet.
Prior to that, I was an evening shift nurse.
Sweet. So what health disease interests you the most?
What health issues interest me the most?
Yeah, what health disease?
Oh, well, diabetes is a particular issue that I'm very interested in.
You're going to say that. So have you been a nurse before you started working at Riverview? If so, where?
Before I came to Riverview, before I moved to Cape Cod, I was a nurse at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. Cool. And I worked in the Department of Patient and Family Education there.
Sweet. So have you been a director at a job before Riverview? Again, if so, where?
Nope. The director job at the Riverview Health Center was my first leadership position in nursing.
Sweet. So what do you like about being a nurse?
I would say the thing I like most about being a nurse is being able to help people.
Sweet. So what do you like about being at Riverview School?
What I like most about being at Riverview School is there's so many different issues to deal with. There's many different students' learning disabilities, many different students' medical issues, and just a lot of different personalities that I get to interact with.
Sweet. So what do you enjoy about being a director of a healthcare department?
I enjoy, I'm a very organized person, so I enjoy that aspect of sort of managing the small things that go into managing the healthcare center and making that it function at its best.
So what do you think of the other staff who work at the Riverview Healthcare Center?
I have a wonderful staff in the healthcare center, nurses, medical assistants, certified nursing assistants, and an EMT. We work very well as a team together in managing the healthcare needs of the Riverview student population.
I see. So what do you think of the other Riverview staff who work at the other departments of Riverview School, that's besides healthcare?
So I interact on a daily basis with members of the residential team, the dorm coordinators, dorm assistants, residential supervisors, as well as all of the teachers. And I think that as a whole, we are a great team that is committed to providing an excellent education for the students at Riverview School.
Sweet. So besides working at Riverview for the 5-week 2018 summer program, which we'll both be at, what are your plans for the summer?
My plans for the summer will be getting my twin daughters ready to head off to college in the fall. And I will probably spend a lot of time at the beach because I love the beach. That's one of the reasons I moved to Cape Cod. And I love doing other outside activities.
Sweet. Well, thanks for being here.
Well, thank you, Joseph. It was happy to be here.
You're welcome.